Type hinting a collection of a specified type. Using Python 3's function annotations, it is possible to specify the type of items contained within a homogeneous list, or other collection, for the purpose of type hinting in PyCharm and other IDEs. A pseudo-Python code example for a list of int. I know it's possible using docstring. But I prefer the annotation style if it's possible.
As of May 2015, PEP 484, Type Hints, has been formally accepted. The draft implementation is also available at GitHub under am/typehinting. In September 2015, Python 3.5 was released with support for type hints and includes a new typing module. This allows for the specification of types contained within collections. As of November 2015, JetBrains PyCharm 5.0 fully supports Python 3.5 to include type hints as illustrated below. Original answer. As of August 2014, I have confirmed that it is not possible to use Python 3 type annotations to specify types within collections. X. A list of strings. The use of formatted docstrings such as restructured text or Sphinx are viable alternatives and supported by various IDEs. It also appears that Guido is mulling over the idea of extending type annotations in the spirit of MYPY. This URL.
With support from the BDFL, it's almost certain now that Python, probably 3.5, will provide a standardized syntax for type hints via function annotations. This URL? As referenced in the PEP, there is an experimental type checker, kind of like Pylint, but for types, called MYPY that already uses this standard, and doesn't require any new syntax. This URL?
Since Python 3.5 has been officially out, there is the type hint supporting module typing and the relevant list, type, for the generic containers. In other words, now you could do. This is deprecated since Python 3.9. Now you can directly use the built-in list instead of typing .list.
Type comments have been added since PEP 484. This is currently working for me on PyCharm with Python 3.6.4.